Simba Arati tanya kwa in government.
Sure.
He has been a councillor through opposition. Agaruwa kama MP opposition. Tutam. Auchiro mugabana are opposition. Oyo buangire goteba. It is not better. Let me tell you. Simba tari Petro yakolete when he is saying tutam.
Okay.
Number one, politics so about your interest in that. Interest yaye nena nata kitabe tutam. Umaite there's a big problem. Umaite no yana atandi ere tigamu abe. Na bona bachumbe bale ibe. Ekera goteba nge president ebe one time nata kitabe tutam mo nena one time. Umaite kire kukwani gintu kwara manye the impact of it. Anomo kwa baso mitata. Dibaga no mosani one. Agizairo no mosani one. Osero no mosani one. Obadia no mosani one. Obiri no mosani one. Charles Onyanja no mosani one. When you are saying attend you minta yore buya because ya yore take toso go ko bate one time. Oda yore go one time. Ojo chumbe wa kito chaje do te bichabe one time because oda take toso. Bueno abachumba abande ba goteba atake rutabe one time. When you wait, oh, just over Jumba, two tab. That is contradicting two issues. When you wait, you got Arati, you got two tab, there and two tab. That is one point because politics is all about your interest. Number two, the current governance here Kenya never reaching never reaching loyalty.
Sure.
Bueno, Arati ga focus bijong aki ninte getengene second term. Na atemire sinari kunyara gukora ibintu byane whichever level abantu bamubekire ose percentage wato buri 10 something out of 10. But ibintu bindi na mbire ntakore from resources che county. Kidiako was the CEO of the county. Ona keko raso etese government. Atake ibintu bindi. Bona tigandu example. Na bono industrial park ya Kisii ekorosi wari mo machoge wodi ko kimo yashira koera ego yashite koera because of royalty yae towards the current government and also the president kende gya kabere egeti ye stadi munge chekarosu president ya debo inchiare gocha beseji onya simbata betroyo to the president and to the current government nemutab. Number 2 egeti gya kende gechinde omuntu ndanta gotenga tianga tevi injena nya koba na Arati lakini omuntu tiamuruke no mokare sin ta muntu ta chisina ka muntu kare tianga rukerie te Arati no mokongpi Arati no mokong ogoso akwa yaria bintu bine mbia abachumbe moko nya bari Ruto has been coming here oteba gento ketenko bakere na ndata ndio minto twaganya ngekora batina gesara tia so akiti to tebeken mugara muwe na haki yake mpe bona you can see it kaga sign. Are you seeing that ekende na goteba o korigeri guti examples ndebe nyali batara ba openly abantu kuje goteba balinga amos nyali bo mugaba no Nyamira nera na ale tuta lakini is not open ai bana rokaneri president yache tanga geti ende gya tata du kerosu nduwana ngai industrial park ya Nyamira yere gasirunga tuwezi no to weta tandio minto mwana minto ke muntu na engora taro no moraria uchi yanya kusuka igo royalty ya Simba igo ya is not petrol iyo ya chiete ya sivitigo chiese the current government to the president egere bintu bibere bitatu bikorek and we can bear witnessing bia machi na bono cancer center onye tari Simba atagenda because LT is devolved atagenda ku support government tange cancer center atagenda tobe very sincere and honest nga o shift wa politics wa Simba Arati iga a pledge royalty bintu binde bikoreke is not petrol na gotatige ndo taite goteba ndaite kuburia atandi nyuma etaba tinamanya Arati arako bana bagutwara reasons why ago support tutam patinende njinara kere sirike mwanya bantu ngaki togote one time nsa utagete tutam tigebe uniform na yebono okonye gate one time guru ogochobo chumbe one time yaka utagete chabe jende bona abachumba bande na bana irora na ne mutam ngakira tebe one time guru nsa utagete tutam mutana ingwa one time kocho ko banyora kera mokumera no mokutano jubiri batabinga gente ke monya bataba wantam na inu kwa ntam nko gana more finally